Right, so good day everyone and welcome po sa ating video, and puntahan po natin yung ongoing construction ng Iloilo Central Market na nasa Aldique at Guangco Street. So simulan po natin yung ating video as requested ng marami. Okay, so eto na po yung itsura ng update sa ongoing construction, no, ng market mall ng Iloilo Central Market. As you can see, ito na po yung itsura, no. Alright, ito na po yung itsura ng nagbalik na pala yung sa dating structures yung ano. See? Ito yung main entrance, no? So this is the main entrance ng ano ng Central Market. Yan. So we are here at Isnard Street, no? Ito yung building na nasa left side, it's Iloilo Grand Hotel. Alright, so ito na po yung nasa likurang bahagi, no? Alright, so ito na po yung itsura ng nasa likurang bahagi, no, ng Iloilo Central Market. At nandito ako sa doon nasa dulo, it's Gaisano, Guangco. Okay guys, so dyan po nagtatapos ating video for the day. Nandito ako ngayon sa Iloilo Central Market kung saan ongoing construction yung nasabing structure. So thank you so much for watching and see you again for the next video. Goodbye everyone.